Good day everyone, I'm Diana Bibalaga from BSN Trip Block 2, and today I'm going to discuss and explain about the Cedula Personal Tax.
What is Cedula Personal Tax? Which is ang origin name itself is community tax. Mao ni ang tax paid by all adult residents and corporations sa ilang city or municipality. If ever magbayad og tax, it is required na mag-receive og CTC or called Community Tax Certificate or called CEDULA. Community tax is required for all and many official and business transactions. Who must pay the community tax or who are the individuals na required na magbayad? So, Filipino residents who are 18 years old or above is pwede magbayad, and those na naay business or work and even nag-own og property, or even mga domestic and residents foreign corporations sa Philippines is need magbayad og annual community tax. How tax is calculated? There are two components, a basic flat rate and additional tax based sa income or property. For individuals, basic tax is a flat rate of 5 pesos. Additional tax, ang additional tax 1 pesos for every 1,000 of gross income from business, salaries, or property ownership. The additional tax is dili mo exceed og 5 pesos. Why? The CEDULA is required. It is a multi-purpose document used for many legal transactions and maupod ni ang way for identifications. Example, applying for renewing business permits and license, processing documents that require notarization, and transacting with government office such as paying fees or receiving funds in publics, and obtaining government IDs. Where to get CEDULA? Some local government LGUs is nag-allow og processing sa CEDULA sa mga barangay hall. Explain how the taxation system work and who impose it. CEDULA Personal 1884. Mao ni ang identification paper og proof of payment for personal tax in Philippines, which replaced the earlier tribute system on July 1, 1884. Mao ni ang document serve as both a tax receipt and public security document na nag-require to all residents age 18 and above na magbayad og tax based sa ilang income. Orphan Incomes 1878. So naay two tax add and impose sa orphan incomes. Urbana tax, mao ni ang tax na ginabayad yearly sa rental income gikan sa mga properties. So ang industrial tax, mao ni ang tax na yearly ginakuha sa mga sweldo ug tubo sa mga income sa mga individuals or residents sa urban areas. Spanish colonial era. It refers to extensive period starting in the late 15th century when Spain established and controlled last colonized, notably in Americas and Philippines. Positive and negative role in governance. Positive effects. The government can provide a better life for its citizens with social benefits, healthcare, education, employment, and better infrastructure among others, and allows the government to work on new social schemes and programs, including financing public spending, building roads, school buildings, hospital, and for funding local government services, including police and fire departments, park, and playgrounds. So, the negative effects: increase opportunities for corruption, invasion, or reduced sense of accountability between governments and citizens when state rely on foreign aid or resources, rents, and the potential to stifle economic growth by a discouraging work and investment through high tax or complex systems. Rule in governance. Government revenue comes from the two main categories, tax and non-tax sources. So, tax include compulsory payments like income tax, property tax, and sales tax. So non-tax sources comprise fees for services property income from asset sales of goods and services, penalties, grants, and even public borrowings to finance operations. Reflection on taxation. Business, whether big or small, pays the tax and now it's win to be computed. It is expressed in another way as a method of apportioning the cost of government among those who in some measure are privileged to enjoy its benefits and must be therefore bear its burdens in order to finance the necessary expenses of the government. There is need to collect money from those people under the production who our taxation rates may differ depending on the taxpayer's characteristic in the type of income. When it comes to income tax, most people focus on their jobs, personal investment, and savings. The government has its basic needs and right which to access with its create on in one of these nights is the right to most stands through the power of taxation with enforced proportional contribution from a subsidy in order to sustain itself.